Good morning, dear children. Welcome back to Computer Science online class for class 3rd. Today, we will study the last part of our portion, that is test paper 2. This test paper 2 is based on chapters 4 to 6. Okay, this also will come for examination, so you have to study it. Okay, let us start test paper 2, page number 83. So all of you have to take page number 83. First session, tick the correct answers. First question, a single page on the internet is called A website, B home page, C. Then the next one is match the icons of the search engines to their names. Okay, some icons are given on the left side and the name is given on the right side. You have to match it. See, first one, this is which icon it is? Google icon. So match it with the Google icon. Okay, Google. Next one is name the following. Name the following. First question, messages that are sent and received through the internet. What is messages that are sent and received through the internet is called email. Okay, so mark it as email. Then the first page of a website. First page of a website is home page. Then next question means answer these questions. E section, answer these questions. This one I have already given as a PDF on 28th January. Okay, once again I will read. Okay, just to see that. Question number 1, who is a digital citizen? A digital citizen is someone who uses the internet in a safe and a responsible way. Who is a digital citizen? A digital citizen is someone who uses the internet in a safe and a responsible way. Then second one, list any two qualities of a digital citizen. Answer, two qualities of a digital citizen are, first one, use proper English to communicate online. Okay, use proper English to communicate online. Then B, use kind words while communicating online. Okay, two qualities given are use proper English and use kind words. Okay, to communicating online. Okay. Then third question, write any 4 advantages of internet. In the textbook, this question is given as write any 4 advantages and disadvantages likewise. Okay, here I have given it as separate questions. Okay, see, third one, write any 4 advantages of internet. First one, fast. Then 2, inexpensive. Okay, inexpensive. Then third one, online services. We are getting so many online services now. Online services. Then entertainment for everyone. Entertainment means enjoy. It gives us joy. Okay, entertainment for everyone. Then faster communication. Okay, are they fast, inexpensive, online services, entertainment for everyone, and faster communication. Then fourth question, write 4 disadvantages of internet. 4 disadvantages are: first one, internet addiction; second one, unhealthy; then third, web crime; then fourth one, incorrect information. Okay, these all we have studied in the lesson of internet. Okay, so those who are having doubt, just take that lesson and read it. Okay, so for disadvantages are internet addiction, unhealthy, web crime, and incorrect information. Okay, the next one, fifth question, explain the use of fill with color tool in paint. Answer: fill with color tool is used to fill color in a drawing. Okay, what is the use of it? It is used to fill color in a drawing. Okay, then sixth one, what do you do to deselect a picture? Okay, what do you do to deselect a picture? Answer: to deselect a picture, press the ESC key. ESC means escape key on the keyboard, or click outside the selection area. Okay, to deselect a picture, press the escape key on the keyboard or click outside the selection area. ESC key. Okay. Then seventh question, write the steps to close a folder. Answer: to close a folder, first step, in the folder window, click on organize button. Okay, click on organize button. Then second one, click on the close option. See, in this question, write the steps to close a folder. In the previous lesson, lesson 6, we have studied the steps to close a file also. Okay. During the examination or writing the answers, children are confused with these two questions. Okay, these steps are different. The steps to close a file, the first step is click on the file tab. But to close a folder, the first step is in the folder window, click on organize button. Okay, remember these two difference and study. Okay. Then the last question, write the steps to start paint. Okay, this one extra added question we have studied in the 5th lesson. Okay, the steps to start paint are: first one, click on the start button. Second step, click on all programs. Then third one, click on accessories. And fourth one, click on paint. When we studied the 5th lesson, the first thing we have studied is the steps to start paint. Okay, remember this and study this. Okay, the steps to start paint are: click on the start button, click on all programs, click on accessories, and click on paint. Then the next type of question is label the address bar, hyperlinks, and the web browser icon. Okay, here only 3 things given in the question that you have to mark. Okay, do you understand what which window is given? Okay, this is Internet Explorer window. Okay, Internet Explorer window. As it is given in the question, likewise in the same order it will be marked. See, this is address bar. Okay, first one is address bar. Okay, first one is address bar. Then the second one, that is hyperlink. Okay, then the third one, the last, is web browser icon. You have to write this one into your textbook. Okay, and write in the same order into your textbook and study it. Okay. Now let us move to the homework. Today's homework is Learn Test Paper 2. The PDF I have already given on 28th. Okay, 28th January I have given the PDF already. So you have to study the question answers from the PDF only. Okay, and study these book exercises also. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.